all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pic.
Ow, my arm's broken.
I'm at school.
Let's learn to read.
I already know how to read.
No, you don't, Scout. I heard Boo Radley stabbed his dad with scissors.
That's scary.
Let's go touch his house.
Okay.
I'm gonna go touch the house, Scout.
You're pretty brave, Jen.
I know, I'm a man.
What's in that tree?
Oh, I found 2 Indian coins, soap figurines, a watch, and a knife.
Hey, your dad likes black people.
Yeah.
Make Jen read to me, Atticus.
Read to Mrs. DeVos, Jen.
Okay.
Mrs. DeVos died. She was the bravest person I ever knew. Did you know she was a morphine addict?
No, and I don't care.
Tom Robinson, did you rape Mayella?
No, sir.
Atticus, what do you think?
Tom Robinson is not guilty because clearly his left arm is broken.
Jerry, what do you think?
Guilty.
Not guilty?
Oh.
Fine, he's guilty.
Tom Robinson, guilty!
Hey, look, Anne Alexander, there's a mockingbird up there.
Jem, it's a sin to kill a mockingbird. They've never done anything and only meant to sing.
But they're annoying.
Tom Robinson's running away!
Bob Buell, what do you think about Mr. Robinson dying?
1 down, 2 to go.
Jen, I really like that pageant, but I think I feel that's a handle. Let's go home.
Okay.
No!
Oh God! Oh
My
God!
arm again!
Oh God! Oh God!
Oh!
You're my hero.
It had to be done.